my many minds, my heart doesn't always agree. What I'm thinking inside, think about it, duck can lie. And when you're hungry but it hurts to eat, do you actually wanna die? No matter how